Welcome to the step-by-step guide on the University of Zululand online application for the 2027 academic year. If you are currently in grade 12, have already completed matric, are upgrading your results, or want to transfer from another institution, this video will show you exactly how the application process works. We will cover where to apply, application fees, required documents, APS requirements, important dates, and how to track your application after submission. The first thing you need to know is that applications for the University of Zululand are submitted through the Central Applications Office, commonly known as CAO. Many students make the mistake of looking for an application form on the university website and become confused when they cannot find one. For undergraduate studies, you will complete your application through the CAO online application portal. This is the official system used to process applications for the University of Zululand and several other institutions. Before you start your application, it is important to know the application dates. Applications for the 2027 academic year opened on the 1st of March 2026. The main closing date is expected to be the 31st of October 2026. However, some programs may close earlier if they become full or have limited space available. For this reason, you should not wait until the final week to apply. Submitting your application early gives you the best chance of securing a place. Many students also want to know how much it costs to apply. The University of Zululand does not charge a separate application fee directly. Instead, applicants pay the application fee required by CAO. The amount can vary depending on whether you apply before or after the deadline, and whether you are a South African or international applicant. Before making payment, always check the latest fee schedule on the official CAO website to make sure you are paying the correct amount. Now let's talk about the qualifications and programs available at the University of Zululand. The university offers a wide range of qualifications including higher certificates, diplomas, bachelor's degrees, honors degrees, master's degrees, and doctoral programs. Fields of study include education, commerce, law, science, agriculture, nursing, arts, social sciences, and many others. Because programs can change from year to year, always review the latest prospectus before selecting your study choices. One of the most important parts of your application is making sure you have the correct supporting documents ready before you begin. South African applicants will generally need a certified copy of their identity document, grade 11 final results if currently in grade 12, or a matric certificate if they have already completed school. Transfer students may also need academic transcripts from their current institution. Having these documents prepared in advance will make the application process much smoother. International students have additional requirements. In most cases, they will need a valid passport, academic records from previous studies, and documentation required by South African authorities. Depending on the qualification and country of origin, a SACWA evaluation may also be required. Because international admissions can involve additional procedures, it is a good idea to begin the application process as early as possible to avoid delays later in the year. Now let's discuss APS, because many students hear the term but are not sure what it actually means. APS stands for Admission Point Score. Universities use APS scores to determine whether applicants meet the minimum academic requirements for specific programs. Different qualifications require different APS scores. A diploma program may require a lower APS than a bachelor's degree program. This means you should always check the APS requirement for your chosen course before applying. To calculate your APS, the university uses your achievement levels from your national senior certificate subjects. Each percentage range is converted into a point value. For example, 80% and above equals 7 points, 70 to 79% equals 6 points, 60 to 69% equals 5 points, 50 to 59% equals 4 points, 40 to 49% equals 3 points, 30 to 39% equals 2 points, and 0 to 29% equals 1 point. To estimate your APS, take your best 6 recognized matric subjects and convert each subject percentage into its APS point value. Then add the points together to get your total APS score. For example, if your 6 subjects each score 5 points, your APS would be 30. Remember that some programs may require specific subjects such as mathematics, physical sciences, or English, in addition to meeting the overall APS requirement. The application process itself is fairly straightforward. Start by visiting the official CAO website and creating your applicant profile. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your identity document or passport. Next, provide your educational information, including your school details and academic results. Once that is complete, you will be able to choose the University of Zululand programs you want to apply for and rank them according to your preference. When selecting programs, avoid applying for only one option. The CAO system allows you to choose multiple study options, which increases your chances of receiving an offer. Place your preferred program first, but also include realistic alternatives that match your APS score and subject requirements. This is especially important for competitive programs where available spaces may be limited and admission cannot be guaranteed. After choosing your programs, upload all required supporting documents and pay the application fee. Before clicking submit, carefully review every section of your application. Check your contact information, subject results, and program choices. Even a small mistake can create delays later in the admissions process. Once everything is correct, submit your application and save your CAO reference number, because you will need it for future inquiries. After applying, you should regularly monitor your application status. The easiest way to do this is by logging into your CAO account using your reference details. You should also keep an eye on your email inbox and mobile phone, because important updates are often sent electronically. If the university requests additional information or documents, responding quickly can help prevent unnecessary delays in the processing of your application. Before we finish, let's go over some common mistakes that applicants should avoid. Do not wait until the last minute to apply. Do not upload unclear or incomplete documents. Make sure your contact details are correct. Always check that you meet the APS and subject requirements for your chosen program. Finally, remember to keep copies of all documents and payment confirmations in case you need them later. To summarize, applications for the University of Zululand are submitted through the CAO application system. Make sure you apply before the deadline. Prepare all required documents. Understand how APS scores work. Select appropriate program choices, and regularly monitor your application status after submission. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other students who are planning to apply for the 2027 academic year. Good luck with your application and your future studies.